Okay, we're getting close to the arch. So that's the Binondo Chinatown Arch right here. And then we're going to use the bridge to cross Pasig River to go to the Pasig River Esplanade. Okay, so this is not really the main arch. It's actually right here, right there. So that's the main arch, the Binondo Chinatown Arch. Okay, now we're gonna cross the bridge. I mean, we're gonna go to the bridge to cross the Pasig River. What?
You wanna go all the way there?
Yeah, that's the Esplanade. So look at this. Look at the lampposts. Yes. Okay, so there's the post office. It burned down like a few years ago, and then they had to like renovate it. So look at this. Oh look, there's Fiati University. There's the other bridge, the famous bridge. Oh, and they have like a street food market right there. So we'll go there too. So this is Pasig River right here. And there's like the ferry station, the Pasig River ferry station. So we can actually take the ferry from BGC all the way up to here. But we didn't. We drove and then parked at a hotel and then took Grab, like a taxi hailing app, Grab, to drive to Chinatown. We're gonna go down here and walk at the new Esplanade, but there's not that many people. Okay, here we are. Here's the new Esplanade. Wow, look at the view. Oh, and this is Jones Bridge. Wow. Look at that. So that's Jones Bridge, and that's Escolta right there with the buildings. And then look, they have all these Filipino like statues. So this is like the famous Filipino dance where they hold like a candle holder glass thing, and then they dance with the candle holders on their hand. Isn't that cool? Oh look, they're fishing. You can actually fish. It's like Singapore or Bangkok. Oh my gosh. And behind me is the post office. So I guess it looks better at night because the lamps are on, the lights are on at night compared to right now. It's not on. So it ends right there. They haven't, I mean, it's just the beginning. It's supposed to go all the way to like BGC. So that's Escolta with all the tall buildings. It's Chinatown. Really?
Yeah, this is kind of impressive urban redevelopment of Pasig River.
Wow.
Exciting.
Yes.
I'm so impressed.
Yes.
Look at the tugboats there.
Yeah, and he's from the US. Look, so there's like tugboats. They're tugging that barge or something. Okay, let's go. Yes. Okay, we're gonna cross like under the bridge because it goes to the newer Esplanade, and they have a night market. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna go under the Jones Bridge. So we came from there and then we went down the stairs and then went up. And there's Leo, so he's always like running, walking so slow, so he's always behind me. Ooh, look at this. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, and look at the bridge. I mean, under the bridge. So there's the other bridge. I don't know the name of the bridge. But okay, so here's the Jones Bridge. from here, we're gonna walk all the way to Fort Bonifacio. I mean, not Fort Bonifacio, Fort Santiago. Oh, look, you can actually walk like above or like right here. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. Oh, look at this. Oh, mango overload. Avocado, buy one, take one. Okay, you can go down there.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah, they have latte. And look.
Restroom.
Look, they have a restroom.
Thames. This is like Thames River, you know.
Ooh, soul snack. There's mango cheesecake. But they're closed. Okay, there's the bridge. Oh, that's the China Aid Bridge project. The Binondo Intramuros Bridge. So at night, again, it looks really nice because of the lights. But right now, it's 2 o'clock p.m. So it's not. Look at that, all the art. So the dead end is closed and we have to go all the way around here just to cross the street. Because tomorrow they're gonna have like a grand opening of the new Esplanade. So we're like one day too early.
Doon ka pa sa medyo malapit sa
Oh my God, he wants to ride a kalesa.
may sakit. Medyo lang po. Dami Manila kami talaga.
Okay, so the kalesa already has a customer, so we can't hire them. Oh, it's like at the top, the stall, the night market.
Oh, okay.
It's on the second floor. Okay, you have to go to the sidewalk. So now it's scary because there's no sidewalk. So we're just walking on the street and then there's all these like cars passing by. Oh my gosh.